Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Excel, Power BI, and I also upload videos related to AI. So in case you are new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you, and to the existing subscribers, thank you very much for staying connected with me till now. It's been more than 1.5 years of our journey. All right, and in fact, I will be completing 2 years in the month of February 2026. So that's next month. Thank you very much. This has been an incredible journey. All right. So now, without further ado, let's get started with our today's video. And this video is going to be very exciting because we are going to learn three different things. Firstly, we are going to create a website with the help of an AI tool. That's first thing. Second, we'll be learning how to create an AI agent. And thirdly, the most important thing, we will integrate that AI agent to the website that we have just created. Okay, that we'll be creating in fact. Now, we'll be creating a website with the help of this AI tool, and I'll show that in a matter of minutes. Now, the best part is that this type of knowledge will be hard to be found even on a paid course. Even on paid course, you may find it very difficult to get such a kind of content. All right. So do not skip any part of this video. Watch this video till the end. All right. And I can promise you that you'll be getting a very much valuable knowledge through this video. All right. So I have this prompt that I have created, that I just now wrote it. I'm about to create a website through an AI tool. So help me write a prompt to this tool, and it should have 4 pages: home page, about us page, product info page, and contact us page. I will copy this. I'll go here. Here on this website, on this AI tool, you have three different options. One is AI website builder, one is AI sales funnel builder, and the third part is select a template or customize with AI. So I'll click on this particular option, and as a disclaimer, I would like to emphasize this again, that I do not have programming skills and I do not have coding skills. In fact, I would say I only have 5% of the basic uh, programming knowledge of Python. Okay, that too basic. 5% of the basic programming knowledge that I have. All right, so it's as good as me not knowing anything about programming. So I've clicked on this AI build with AI, and then I clicked on uh, business website. I delete this and I paste this here. Okay. And now, first I will ask AI to uh, this Copilot AI tool to generate a code so that we can write this to this tool. All right. Now it did generate a code. However, I have not specified for which domain, for which industry that we are going to create a website for. So I will refine the prompt, and you will get to see the magic. Okay. To this tool, and website is for perfume shop. See, grammatical perfection and all that, it does not matter here while writing this prompt to AI, as long as you are crystal clear about what you want from AI. That's what matters. All right. Website is for perfume shop. It should have 4 pages: home page, about us page, product info page, and contact us page. I hit enter, and now AI will give us the clear and a detailed prompt. Okay. All right. I'll copy this and I will edit some part of this prompt. All right. I will say create a modern, no, I will say create a stylish, beautiful, elegant, and responsive website. Okay. All right. And then I scroll down and I click on continue. So it will analyze the prompt, then it will ask what type of LLM model, whether it's basic or advanced. I will stick with basic because the advanced will be for the paid plan. And right now I'm on a free plan. All right. And here, business name, essence of elegance perfumes. I think that should be fine for the time being. All right, because this is a fictional website, right? It's a dummy website, so that should be fine. Okay. So you can see that in a matter of few minutes, it will create a website for us, and that's the beauty of this tool. And trust me, in order to create a website, even the established programmers, okay, I'm saying the experienced programmers, established programmers definitely means that they are experienced, experienced programmers, okay, who have 2 or 3 years of programming experience. Even they themselves will take few days. All right, that is for sure. And there is a dedicated team, for creating websites. All right, and in case and even with a team it will takes at least 10 or 15 days, all right, at the earliest. And if you are a non-programmer, it will take definitely few months time in case you don't know the basics of um, website design. But now here you can see that in a matter of few minutes that we have created a website. How incredible, right? Okay, so this website is created here. All right, so this part is done. All right, and now click on this edit website, and I will say visual builder. So it will save this website and it will take some time. All right, so we have accomplished something, right? So firstly we have created a website in a matter of few minutes, and that's the exciting part. I'm absolutely very much happy about that. I'm pretty sure that when you create this website, you will also be very excited. Let me just cross check if I'm connected to internet. Okay, I am connected to internet, so you may have to be patient for a few more minutes. All right, so the tech guys know that how many, I mean, there is a lot of time and energy being spent when it comes to creating websites. Okay, so give me a few minutes while it does save website. In the meanwhile, I'll say that I'll say this to Copilot AI. Thank you very much for this. Now I'm going to create a shop assistant AI agent using Mindpal, and this shop assistant should be friendly, professional, as well as persuasive, with a call to action to buy during conversation. So help me with the prompt. Help me with the background, which is input. Help me with input and output. I'll explain this. What do I mean by this? Alright. I hit enter. I seem to be facing some issues with internet. That does happen. I'm pretty sure that it may be happening with you guys as well. So that's like part and parcel of the game, right? I've copied this prompt and I'll paste this here. Now hit enter. I'll refresh the page so that I can continue with creation of AI agent. All right. Now let me paste this prompt again. It seems to be getting stuck, so I'll refresh the page again. So I hope that this time AI does respond. I know it can be a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. We'll overcome that. All right. I'll refresh the page again and I'll paste this prompt. In the meanwhile, let me just check. It is still saying that it's in the process of saving. I'll try to refresh the URL of this AI tool. Okay. I'll copy this prompt. I hit enter again. Okay, so now finally it has given us the prompt that we have to write to Mindpal. Okay, I click on copy, go to Mindpal website, and I click on AI agent. All right, I click on create AI agent. All right, so here we have a few options like generate with AI, chat with AI to build agent, import from JSON, start from scratch, browse templates. This time I'll use this option, generate with AI. All right. So this is the background. You're a shop assistant, AI agent for a perfume shop. Your personality should be friendly and welcoming, professional and knowledgeable, persuasive with subtle call to action. So, in simple words, what it means is that it should be convincing with a subtle call to action prompt to encourage purchases. When I say subtle, it should not sound very aggressive, right? So that you're going with the flow. Okay. Then your task: greet customers, provide clear professional information, blah 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 blah, etc. And now recommend products, use persuasive knowledge, persuasive language. All right. And then in the output section, how AI should respond. Let's see. Can you generate similar thing for output? Now you must have recognized that I made some spelling mistakes, but that is the power of AI, that it does understand the context as well. All right. So here it has mentioned the tone and personality. Okay, so earlier I've just mentioned the background. All right, so what the AI tool, uh, what is the shop assistant all about? And now this is the output. When I say output, it's the behavior, it's the type of action that the AI agent should take. All right, so it's as good as you training a human being. All right, and a human being, when during the training, right, it's all about the product knowledge or a process knowledge, and then the action is how you will respond in a particular scenario. Okay, for XYZ scenario, this is the action you'll be taking. All right, so that's what the output is all about. And I'll copy this. I'll copy this and I'll paste this. Okay, and I'll click on generate with AI. I'll remove this um, brackets, otherwise it may not be professional at all, and it will be very confusing for customers. I'll remove this. The angle brackets that you get to see, you need to remove that. Okay, wherever you get to see the angled brackets, you have to remove that. I'll remove this. Alright, I'll just cross check just to ensure that there is no angle bracket. Otherwise it all becomes very much messy, that's for sure. Okay, all right, so this looks perfect now. I'll copy this and I'll cross check this with AI. This AI tool, Copilot, Microsoft AI. Here's what I have. Perfect. So AI stated that this is looking perfect. Okay, and now I'll click on create. So the AI agent has been created. Now let's just test I'll write hi. Now get to see the magic. You'll get to see the magic here. Okay, see, it is stated that welcome to our boutique. I'm delighted to assist you in finding your next signature fragrance. All right, so it's asking what type of perfume do you need. All right, I'll say I'm not sure. So it's thinking, it will take some time. All right, see, the coolest part, okay, it has already started mentioning some perfume names like a human will do, right? So this clearly means that this AI agent is working perfectly fine. I click on this AI agent and then it'll ask me to publish as chatbot, and in the meanwhile I have to save this URL. Click on Google, say online notepad. Now the reason I'm doing this is I don't want to minimize the screen, otherwise my recorder will stop working. So I click on this online notepad. All right, and go here, create and publish now. Now I'll select this, and I'll save the links here. All right, okay, so now I'll say that thank you very much. Now I need to integrate this AI agent to the newly built website. Using this tool. I click on enter. All right, I will say I'm feeling little confused. So guide me step by step. It seems that AI has got stuck. That's okay. We'll carry on. This is what happens that when we try to do something productive, something or the other tries to stop us, but we need to keep going. Okay, I've just reconnected to internet, and let me just okay, I'm kind of confused. Earlier we used button to integrate AI agent. So guide me as per that. and I'll go to this tool, click on edit website, click on visual builder. It's taking some time. Do excuse me. I'll try refreshing the page. Well, I really appreciate your patience because this is going to be a little long video, but trust me, you will get to see the value of today's video. All right. So once you have integrated an AI agent, believe me, you're helping a business to save a lot of cost. You are going to help improve in efficiency, and you're going to help the businesses to be quicker. So there are a lot many benefits of AI agents. All right, and I'll scroll down because I'm not going to click on this edit website because otherwise this tool will not help us. It'll keep on being stuck, and that is not going to help us at all. All right, I have this page. Okay, or rather I would say I'll try to follow this AI's instruction. This will take some time. I tried skipping this part, but it was not working. So I guess I have to use this option of edit website. Okay, so the project is saved finally. All right, it will launch the project again, and then we'll integrate our AI agent. All right, I'm trying to scroll down. Okay, all right, and here we have the contact us page. It's at the bottom. To give me some time. while I scroll down to the bottom. Okay, give me some time. Okay, finally we have in this contact us page. Okay, so here instead of add text I'll say um, need help in choosing right perfume, chat with our live agent, or chat with our customer support. Okay, I'll mention this, and then here in the URL part, okay, say select customer custom URL. Okay, so here we have already written the text, and then you'll say click on this particular link, and then we'll paste our URL. This is the one. We'll copy that and we'll paste this here. Alright, so this part is done. Okay, it says that no, I'm offline. I may have to disconnect and connect again. It can be a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. Okay, so let's test it. This is the final part. Not the final part, but we're just few steps from our complete project. All right, it will take a couple of minutes for the website to be launched. Now I've said that many times that there is a lot to learn, and when we try to create something, it always is very much exciting. Okay, so future does belong to those who are creating with AI. Okay, um, not sure what's happening. Like, this website has not yet been launched. I'll try to reload. So I can promise you one thing, that in case if you watch all my earlier videos also, there is a lot of value that you'll be getting, especially from advanced Excel, Power BI, and also my earlier prompts that I've written to AI. Because if we are interested in getting a high paying job, then we need to be skilled. That is for sure. Okay. All right. So this website has been launched. All right. Finally. And let's scroll down to the bottom and let's see. It's not scrolling down. Let me close this. Okay, so this is at the bottom. We'll click on this. Not sure why it stays blocked. I don't know. I don't think we have done anything wrong. I don't think so. And I genuinely appreciate your patience that you guys have been uh, patiently watching this video. Okay, let me scroll down. It says blocked. Let me type this. Okay. I said that I was able to integrate this to a custom website, but during preview mode, it says blocked. I'm not sure why. On Mindpal page, everything seems fine. Everything is fine, not just seems fine, but everything is fine. And let's see how the embed script is being loaded inside your website's preview environment. Here are the most common reasons. Okay, it says to open directly in the browser. I'll paste this here. So, in a nutshell, you're helping a business to save approximately, 100,000, 300,000, $400,000, or, half a million, more than that. Okay. Um, that's the whole gist of that. Plus, you're also helping to improve the efficiency and also aid in revenue generation with the help of AI, with the help of AI agent. Let me click on this. Okay. I pasted the URL outside outside the widget page where you have so many boxes. Is that a reason? At the bottom, is that the reason? The last is to AI. I'm trying to finish the project, but it's taking. Okay, yes, that's very likely the reason. Okay, good. So here, so what I'll do is I'll delete this. We need to delete this element whole. I'm just at almost the final mode step. Okay. Well, that is where I'm getting start. When I click within the widget page, it does not respond, but outside it does allow me to add the button. So help me. Okay. It says place a button in the page footer or body. Let's see how. How? Click on enter. Custom HTML or code block. Okay, finally it seems that now it will allow us to add the block. Okay, so click on contact. It's actually a text field. um, I'll say I'm in the container block. I need to add button directly there. So how do I do this? It will take some time, okay? As I've said that this is a highly valuable skill. Your ability to create AI agent is an incredibly valuable skill in the marketplace. There are very, very few courses available. Okay, it's an extremely new skill, so you may have to be a little bit patient with me while I add integrate this AI agent. Okay, I'll try to add a link. Mm, Click on edit. Hopefully, I think this will fix the issue. All right, I think so. We are very much close. Page URL, add a link, custom URL. Let's see. Hopefully, this should fix this. I'll paste this here. Okay, this part is done, and now I'll say chat with our customer support. To find right perfume. Chat with our customer support. Okay, simple. All right, now let's do the testing. Hopefully this time it should work. Fingers crossed. Believe me, if you learn how to create an AI agent, and I mentioned that during interviews, you'll be very much a valuable person in the eyes of the recruiter. It's taking some time. In a couple of minutes, their website should be live. I mean to say, it should be launched. Obviously, it will take some time because it seems that this website could be a little bit heavier. We are connected to internet. I'll try to refresh the page. It's taking some time. I'm trying to connect with the help of my mobile phone. And let me refresh the page again. Just few more minutes and I think we will be done with our project of integrating the AI agent with our website. Okay. Um, Alright, so this is the one. I may have to launch the preview mode again. So just few more minutes, and once we are done, it'll be extremely exciting. It's like you have something completely ready and launched, fully live, fully ready to go. Believe me, for these type of things, you need to have a full-fledged team. Okay, but just imagine that if you are doing this all by yourself, all right, and that too within 1 or 2 hours, then you imagine that how valuable you will be to the employer, because you're actually doing the job of nearly one or 4 or 5 people in a nutshell. Okay, I click on this. Perfect. Seems that our customer service agent is launched. Okay, hi, I'm your perfume boutique shop assistant. How can I help you today? I'll say hi. Okay. So welcome. It is an absolute pleasure to have you. Please feel free to immerse yourself in the ambience. Are you seeking a new signature scent today? Perhaps exploring a particular note like sandalwood or citrus, or simply looking for something to perfectly capture a specific mood or season. I'd be delighted to be your guide. I'd say I'm not sure. I hit enter. That's perfectly fine. Fragrance discovery should never be rushed. See how professional, how polite, how calm this is. Okay. Um, I'm looking for something bright and energetic, comforting and warm. I would say, well, I need something that is suitable for this season. Hit enter. So it will suggest accordingly. Okay. So see, it has suggested. Since it is January, the heart of winter season, it has suggested these two uh, perfumes. Now I'll select this. It has given the price as well. Okay. I said I will need this. So then it will take us to the order page. I have not yet integrated that, but I just wanted to, um, show you the magic of creating an AI website with the help of AI and creating an AI agent, okay, and then integrating that with the help of AI again. So we'll be integrating the AI agent to the website that we had just recently built. So in a nutshell, you're going to do the job of nearly 7 or 8 people. So imagine that there is an interview for a web developer, okay, and you say that I have the ability to design websites, plus I can integrate an AI agent. All right. So previously, if you remember, okay, let's take an example. Now we are in the stage to wrap up. Now everything is all perfect. Okay, I'll be clicking on publish, and the website will be all good to go. Once I click on publish, I'll mention that in the description. All right. So now I'll just walk you through, like I'll help you with an example of how these AI agents are so powerful. I'll ask, what is the name of WhatsApp bot created by Indigo? Okay, you'll give us the answer. This is the one. Okay, this is an example of AI agent, right? So we just created an AI agent, and this is also created an example of AI agent. So AI will reply to that. Yes, this is an example of AI agent. Okay. So I'll say that I understand that Indigo has not published actual figures of cost saved and revenue generated through launch of this particular bot. However, I need some estimate. So give me estimate of cost saved and revenue generated, and I need answers for before and after. I hit enter. So AI will give us the answers. Okay, the before one, there were the customer service cost. Okay, there were several agents that you have to Indigo had to hire. So if you remember that, earlier, few years ago, when you had any issues with your reservation, you used to call the call center, right? We have done it. Okay, so there were these human agents, all right, approximately 50 or 100 or something like that, or maybe more than that. Okay, um, so that itself, there itself, AI, Indigo would have spent in crores, in salaries and several operational costs and all that. So these were directly part of this customer service cost. Okay, so here, after the launch of this particular WhatsApp bot, nearly $95 million approximately has been saved in customer service cost. Now, can you believe the benefits uh, that AI agent can provide? This is just an estimate. Okay, $95 million, 800 crores. And here the revenue generated is 750 crores. So I will say overall it is around 1000 crores, close to 1000 crores. I will say even if I take half of that, 500 crores, that is still huge, right? I hit enter, and AI will say that yes, even if you take half of the estimate, that is still an enormous impact. So now you can create, now you can understand that, how valuable this skill is to create an AI agent. All right. So to summarize the entire video, we did three awesome things today. First is to create a website with the help of AI in a matter of few minutes. It hardly took 5 minutes at the most to create the website. And then we created an AI agent with the help of Mindpal. And lastly, we did integrate that AI agent to our website. So we have a fully functional business, and we did this in a matter of 1.5 hours at the most. All right. So thank you so much for patiently watching the video. I really, really appreciate your patience. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do feel free to share your comments, and I'll try to create more such valuable videos in near future. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Have a lovely day, and yeah, bye bye.